Imagine a bird soaring gracefully over the ocean, its massive wings cutting through the sky like a glider. This is the pelican, a master of both air and water, whose fascinating features and behaviors make it one of nature's most intriguing creatures. Pelicans are immediately recognizable by their enormous bills, equipped with a flexible pouch beneath that can hold up to 3 gallons of water. Picture this: a pelican swooping down, skimming the surface of a shimmering lake, using its pouch to scoop up fish in one fluid motion. It's not just a feeding tool. This pouch is a marvel of evolution, perfectly designed for their aquatic lifestyle. These birds are no lightweight either, well, metaphorically speaking. Despite their size, pelicans have hollow bones, a clever adaptation that allows them to stay airborne for long periods without exhausting themselves. Their wingspan can stretch up to an incredible 11 feet, making them one of the largest flying birds on Earth. Pelicans are also social creatures. Imagine a group of them working together in perfect harmony to herd fish into shallow waters. They splash, paddle, and coordinate their movements in a spectacle of teamwork that rivals any choreographed dance. And while most pelicans use their pouches to scoop fish, the brown pelican prefers a more dramatic approach. This daredevil dives headfirst into the water from heights of up to 60 feet, stunning its prey with a spectacular splash. There's more to these birds than their feeding techniques. They're world travelers, with 8 species found on every continent except Antarctica. Each species has its quirks, like the Dalmatian pelican, the largest of them all, and the Peruvian pelican, which thrives along South America's coastline. Even their parenting is remarkable. Pelicans build large nests in colonies, with parents taking turns feeding their chicks by regurgitating pre-digested fish. It might sound unappetizing, but for the chicks, it's the perfect meal. The life of a pelican is one of adaptation and survival, of working together and thriving in diverse habitats. From serene lakes to bustling coastal shores, these birds remind us of the beauty and ingenuity of nature. So the next time you see a pelican gliding effortlessly over the water or diving with precision, take a moment to marvel at the story of this incredible bird. Let's dive deeper into the extraordinary world of pelicans, uncovering even more captivating details about their lives. Pelicans are truly ancient creatures, with fossils dating back over 30 million years, making them one of nature's longest surviving designs. Their lineage suggests that their unique adaptations have stood the test of time, proving their efficiency in the wild. One of the most striking features of pelicans is their all-diverse habitats. While many species are coastal, some, like the American white pelican, prefer freshwater lakes and rivers far from the ocean. These inland pelicans are expert foragers, often working in unison to corral fish. They show remarkable adaptability, thriving in environments ranging from tropical mangroves to temperate wetlands. In terms of flight, pelicans are masters of energy efficiency. Have you ever seen a line of pelicans soaring in formation over the waves? This behavior, known as dynamic soaring, allows them to ride air currents with minimal effort. They also use thermals, pockets of rising warm air, to gain altitude and glide for hours without flapping their wings. While their feeding habits are well known, did you know that pelicans sometimes engage in kleptoparasitism? This is a fancy term for stealing food from other birds. It's not uncommon for pelicans to snatch a fish right out of a gull's beak if the opportunity arises. Pelicans also have unique interactions with humans. In some cultures, they are symbols of self-sacrifice, due to a myth that they feed their chicks with their own blood. This is, of course, not true, but the image of the pelican as a nurturing and protective parent has inspired art and literature for centuries. Another little-known fact is their ability to adjust their body temperature. On particularly hot days, pelicans use a behavior called gular fluttering, rapidly vibrating the skin of their throat pouch to cool down. Think of it as their version of panting. Pelican colonies are bustling hubs of activity, especially during the breeding season. They build their nests from whatever is available: sticks, grass, even trash in urban areas. The nests may seem rudimentary, but they serve as safe havens for their eggs and chicks. Interestingly, pelican eggs are pale white with a rough, chalky texture, offering extra protection from the elements. And did you know that pelicans molt? After the breeding season, they shed their old feathers and grow new ones, ensuring they're always ready for efficient flight and insulation. Despite their grandeur, pelicans face challenges. Habitat destruction, pollution, and fishing nets pose serious threats to their populations. Conservation efforts around the world aim to protect these incredible birds, ensuring they continue to grace our skies and waters for generations to come. Pelicans are more than just birds with big beaks. They're a testament to the wonders of evolution, adaptability, and survival. From their prehistoric origins to their intricate social structures, they are among the most fascinating creatures in the avian world. The story of pelicans is layered with even more fascinating details, from their physiology to their place in ecosystems and mythology. Pelicans are remarkable divers. But did you know their eyes are specially adapted for their watery hunting lifestyle? These birds have keen vision, and their eyes are equipped with a translucent third eyelid, called a nictitating membrane, that protects their eyes while diving and enhances their ability to see underwater. Their distinctive bill colors often change during the breeding season. For example, some pelicans develop vibrant hues like yellow, pink, or blue on their beaks and pouches, signaling their readiness to mate. These colors fade once the breeding season ends. Another unique trait is their air sacs, located under the skin of their chest and belly. These sacs act like cushions, protecting them during high-impact dives. It's a biological safety system that allows them to plunge into water without injury. While pelicans are often solitary hunters, their social behavior during roosting and breeding is quite impressive. Colonies can consist of thousands of individuals, and these groups work together to protect themselves from predators. In some species, adults form a living shield around their young when danger approaches. Pelicans are also incredible migrants. Some species, like the great white pelican, undertake long-distance journeys spanning thousands of miles. These migrations are guided by weather, food availability, and the breeding season, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. Interestingly, pelicans play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As top predators, they help regulate fish populations, maintaining a balance that supports healthy aquatic environments. By feeding on fish, they also indirectly support scavengers and other species that rely on leftovers. From a physiological standpoint, their pouches are more than just fishing tools. They can also be used for communication. During courtship, male pelicans often inflate their pouches as part of a display to attract mates. Additionally, their deep, rumbling calls, created by their syrinx, the avian vocal organ, add to the symphony of their colonies. Pelicans are resilient survivors in challenging climates. In desert regions, such as Australia's inland lakes, they can thrive in seemingly inhospitable conditions, exploiting temporary water sources to breed and feed. This adaptability highlights their ability to cope with environmental changes. Their cultural significance spans continents. In ancient Egypt, pelicans were symbols of protection, appearing in tomb paintings as guardians of the afterlife. In medieval Europe, they were associated with Christianity and selflessness due to myths about their parental devotion. Finally, pelicans exhibit astonishing learning behaviors. Observations have shown that younger pelicans often mimic older, more experienced ones when fishing, a form of social learning that increases their survival chances. These magnificent birds are more than just charismatic avians with impressive wingspans. They are ecological engineers, cultural icons, evolutionary marvels. From the intricate details of their anatomy to their profound impact on their environments, pelicans are a treasure trove of natural wonder.